Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to our Thursday 3 o'clock prayer time. So we are going to take an opportunity today to focus in on some prayer and meditation. And this Thursday prayer time is focused specifically on our children and our families and our spirit school. So we consider this our kids' spirit break. This is our weekly kids' prayer time. And today, what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of a visualization exercise for our meditation time. Now, before we go into that, what I would just say is just because this is specifically set aside as a kid's spirit break, that doesn't mean that it doesn't apply to all of us and that we can't find a little bit of peace and prayer in this time. So if you tune in and thought, oh, it's the kids one, I don't need, just pray with us for just a moment. Spend some time in meditation and recentering yourself. Go through this visualization exercise with me right now or later, whenever you happen to be tuning in. And just allow this to be a time of reconnection and recentering yourself. So to prepare for that visualization exercise, let's find a comfortable way for us to sit quietly. I'm here in my chair, but whatever that looks like for you, and close your eyes. And so we take one breath in, and now breathe all the air out of your body. And breathe in as much fresh air as you can. Repeat that again. Exhaling the old air and inhaling new, fresh air. And as we prepare to do this a third time, breathe out as slowly as possible, and then breathe in as slowly and deeply as possible. So let's do that together. We breathe out as slowly as possible. And then breathe in as slowly and as deeply as possible. And now just breathe normally and quietly. And picture yourself standing in a warm, sunny meadow. You can feel the warmth of the sun on your shoulders. Feel the wind ruffling through your hair. See the greenness of the grass. And in the distance, you can hear the sound of a creek bubbling along. You walk towards the creek and see it sparkling in the sun. See the sun dancing off the water with little shimmers and sparkles. At the edge of the creek are some knobby, hardened lumps of mud. And you pick one up and turn it over in your hands, feeling its bumps and its roughness. You decide to see what it looks like underwater, so you hold it in the creek. And as you do, the clay begins to soften, and to fall apart. And suddenly, you notice something inside the clay. It looks like a jewel. And so you begin to wash off the rest of the mud. It is a jewel. What a beautiful color. Look at how it shines in the sun, no matter which way you turn it. This is indeed a treasure worth keeping. And so you decide to take your special jewel home with you, so you put it in your pocket. As you begin to walk back through the meadow, toward your home, you begin to think about where you will keep this jewel in your room. This jewel can remind you of your own spiritual Christ nature at the heart of your being. Just like the jewel was in the center of the lump of clay, even though you couldn't see it at first, you have a beautiful spirit-led jewel at the center of your being. And so we can say, thank you, Spirit, for always being with me as my own Christ self. Let's just take a few moments now together in the silence and in the stillness as we allow ourselves to realize the jewel that is at the center of our being as we rest in the stillness. And so returning our attention to this time and to this place, we place that jewel in a special place in our hearts. And we return our attention to this room, and with it comes a sense of gratitude as we say, thank you, thank you, thank you, Spirit, for always being with me as my own self. And so we open our eyes and let's just say that together. Thank you, Spirit, for always being with me as my own Christ self. And so it is. Amen. Well, I would just like to share with you that you can return to this place wherever you want. We don't need to have that guided time of meditation and reflection to imagine visualizing finding that jewel and taking it home and putting it in that special place. Because that jewel is right here within you at all times. It's always available for us to connect to. And so we've had this little opportunity here today in this moment, but just know that always in every moment, all we need to do is close our eyes, take a breath in, release, and reconnect with the power and the presence that we are. And so I wish you well on your spiritual journey. I wish you well on your continued exploration of what that spiritual presence within you is and how you can connect with it. And until we meet again, God bless you all. Namaste.